this program, we will be covering various strategies which can be used in options trading. As the name says, the name of the program, it says Forex and commodities. So we will learning the trading strategies for Forex and commodities, which can be applied in the options market as well as the futures market. So we will be talking about various some of the strategies which can be used for fundamentals, which can be used from the fundamental standpoint, and also these can be used from technical standpoint, I mean for short term and for long term also, to get the broader idea of the markets. And also we will be talking about certain option strategies that can be used in commodities as well as currencies. But apart from the option strategies, these strategies can also be used for futures market. The cash market is not there in India, so broadly we'll be talking about the derivative strategies only. But the strategies can not only be applied, of course they can be applied in options trading, but cannot only be limited to options trading. They can be applied in futures also, because many of you might not be very comfortable trading in options, because options might have some limited loss, unlimited profit scenario, and other ones can be limited profit and unlimited loss scenario, and vice versa. So that is why not everyone might be comfortable with options trading. So the strategies can be used for futures trading also. The strategies can also be used for swing as well as positional trading. Again, can be used for options as well as futures. I hope that makes sense for it. So this is the broader idea of this entire program. I hope that makes sense for everyone. So we will be talking about, I'll tell you which topics we are going to cover, but then broadly what we are going to cover here, we will be talking about some of the fundamentals, some of the technicals. These can be used for futures as well as options trading. So broadly we'll be talking about the trading aspect, but at the same time they will help you understand the broader economic scenario, the broader environment of the market. So now how we are going to proceed in this is, so first we will be talking about various types of products. Apart from option buying strategies, there will be many other things you will get to know this. Keep your mind broadly open here, so that you get to learn a lot of things. So we will be talking about various products. What are the different type of products, so that we learn. And the idea is not, guys, just to tell you the strategy. The idea is also to help you build the strategy, the thought process behind the strategy. If you know the entire thought process behind the strategy, you will be able to mold the strategies later, deviate from the strategies, or recreate the strategies at your end later, tomorrow, day after, tomorrow, 1 month later, 1 year later, a decade later. Whenever you want to change the mindset, you should be knowing what kind of strategy would work in a particular kind of product. So the strategy that might be using in Nifty and Bank Nifty option buying may or may not be used in the same way in the USD INR, or in the gold, or in the silver, or in crude oil. So both the products can be different. So these are the thought processes also that we are going to discuss. So here we will be talking about various type of products. Then we will be talking about some basic idea of technicals, because this is what is going to help us build the entire strategy thing for. So broadly we'll be talking about two kind of strategies. So first we'll be talking about the strategies based on technical analysis, and the second we are going to make strategies based on derivative analysis. So understanding both these things is very important to make the strategy for ourselves. So we'll be talking about the basic idea of technical analysis. Then we will make some intraday, swing, or positional trading strategies. These can be applied using futures or options. Then we will talk about certain chart patterns that work well in commodities and Forex. I will not be talking about the equity markets here, but yeah, to show you certain good examples, might take examples from Nifty, Bank Nifty, just to show you something, but eventually the discussion would boil down to Forex as well as commodities. Then we'll be talking about certain indicators and strategies that work good in commodities and Forex.